Right, so today I got to finish off the framing, more cutting and more welding. Let's get to it. Got a decent-ish weld there. And these ones look decent as well. So now comes time to weld those framings that I did in last week's video to the trailer. I'm really looking forward to finally getting this part sorted because it's been a while in the making. But anyway, let's get to it. Got it braced a bit better now to get it all kind of square off the frame that is already there. And yeah, I think it's good, and now time to weld it on.
I'm scared.
Woohoo! Check out this progress. We are done. This is so good. How about that? Yeah, pretty happy on the whole. It was kind of hard to get it totally lined up, but I did a pretty good job, I reckon. It's pretty close. Awesome to have that finally done. Thanks for watching along. Next week I'm going to be replicating what I've done on this side to the other side of the trailer. Hopefully it'll be a little bit quicker because I have some idea now of what I'm actually doing. Thanks.